They called his country a desert, but he turned fruit into a revolution. Captain Traore walked into power with one ridiculous idea. Forget the gold mines, forget uranium. He stared at mangoes rotting in fields, while French experts mocked him from Paris. Nobody cared about fruit when there were minerals to chase. But Traore saw the insanity. Burkina Faso was drowning in mangoes, yet importing juice at inflated prices like some cruel joke. So he went all in, exported in bulk. Within months, Burkina Faso exploded past South Africa and Malawi to become Africa's mango king, 7th in the entire world. Then came the power move. He resurrected Dafani, a juice company dead since 2010, and stopped the bleeding. Now they're bottling their own liquid gold instead of watching foreigners profit.